In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template folder in Hubspot. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or simply get your templates better organized, creating a template folder can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you want to navigate over to the Hubspot website, open up your preferred web browser and head to the Hubspot homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Simply click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage and follow the prompts to access your account. This is where all the Hubspot magic begins. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Hubspot home dashboard. From here, you want to get into the CRM, a core tool you'll frequently use. Take a look at the main navigation bar. You should see a CRM option. Go ahead and click on that. The CRM serves as a central hub where you'll manage your contacts, companies, deals, and of course templates. Our next stop is the templates section. Hover over or click on the marketing or sales tools as applicable to you and you'll find a templates option. Click on this to open up your library of all the pre-made or custom templates. It's like having a filing cabinet for your automated emails and saved drafts. Now, as you browse through your templates, you might notice that some are neatly tucked away in folders while others are a bit scattered. To bring some order to the chaos, let's focus on a particular template you plan to organize. Simply click on any one of your available templates. Once you select a template, you will notice an indicator that says no folder on its label at the top or possibly in the settings of that chosen template. Clicking this no folder label is your gateway to organization. It will usually provide you with an option to manage folders or create a new one. When the option presents itself, you can create a new folder by typing in a name that best describes the category or purpose of the templates you wish to store inside. Think of a naming convention that will keep things tidy, such as welcome emails or promotional campaigns. After naming your folder, confirm the creation. And there you have it, your template now resides in a brand new folder, and you can easily repeat this process to move other templates into this folder or create additional ones as needed. That was a quick and easy way to keep things organized in HubSpot, making it simpler for you to find what you need and operate more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.